Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Teresley. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm doing this eyebrow look, a hearted eyebrow. So keep tuned.
So I saw this picture. I forgot where I saw it, but I think it was Instagram, and this girl had her eyebrows like carved out. And I decided to try it today, and it kind of looks bad, but it was my first time, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on this side. So I took my foundation stick and a eyebrow pencil, and then I make a V. So this is what the V looks like, and I'm gonna clean it up with some pomade. Then I did it again at the top. And then I took black eyeliner. Then clean it up. Then I used the e.l.f. contour kit, the lightest shade, to clean it. Yeah, that's basically it.
I will be using this eye glue to lay down my my brows here, even if she didn't use in her video, because when drawing that heart like shape, you will interfere with the hairs, so make sure you use a little bit of glue, then do your brows as normal. Come up venye tumezoea. I have shown you videos on the brows, so and everything else I will do according to her style. So keep tuned, keep watching.